A tornado hit one small stereo store in 1981. The clearance sale that followed accidentally rewrote the company's entire business model. Founder Richard Schulze opened Sound of Music in 1966, a store specializing in home and car stereo equipment. The store grows modestly through the 1970s, competing in a fairly narrow, specialized electronics niche. In 1981, a tornado severely damages one of the stores. Rather than a slow rebuild, the company runs an aggressive clearance sale to salvage water and wind-damaged inventory quickly. The sale wildly outperforms any previous regular sales event in company history. Leadership recognizes a bigger opportunity. Broader electronics selection and aggressive promotional pricing draws far more customers than a narrow stereo-only model. The company pivots toward a broader consumer electronics retail model, moving beyond just stereo equipment. Rebranding to Best Buy formalizes the shift toward broad electronics retail and value-driven pricing as the core identity. Expansion accelerates through the 1980s-90s into one of the largest electronics retailers in the country. An accident of weather revealed a business opportunity nobody had planned for, and the company built its future around it. For this kind of interesting facts, subscribe our channel SG Nova Facts.